G'day, just doing a quick video about the yellow box from Yellr Speedo Corrector. It is an awesome little bit of kit that does the job very well. Very simple wiring. All you need is a positive, negative, and then you need to intercept your speed sensor to your either to your ECU or to your cluster. I went from the ECU to cluster. This is a manual, so it doesn't need the correct speed input to change the auto shift patterns, and it kept things nice and easy and simple, keeping it all underneath the fuse panel where I've picked up power from. Very easy to wire in. 2 wires, very nice, simple, and sits up in there very neatly. Power and earth picked up from a fused relay spot, and I've just intercepted in there with some bullet terminals. A little bit rough, but it gets the job done. And the adjustment is done by those little slider switches. Very easy, gives you a correction table. So all you got to do is either work out. I've done a diff ratio change, so I went from a 308 to a 411. Pretty easy to sort of do the math there with about a 1.3 correction ratio, also accounting for tyre. So pumped in the 1.33 configuration on the supplied sheet. I took it for a drive, worked perfectly. It didn't have to adjust after that, it was great, but it does have instructions and a suggestion on how to do it, so very easy to correlate it with a GPS and work out a percentage from there. Very, very easy to use, very simple, works great. I've previously tried to use a cheaper version, or cheaper Speedo Corrector. Did not like the Commodore, but the yellow box being made in Australia for Australian vehicles, been made here for 26 years, I believe, 1999. Yep, it's a phenomenal bit of kit. There's no lag, no jump with the needle. It just works great. Definitely recommend. Send them an email. If you're in Australia, they give you a Australian pricing. Great communication. You can get them with a plug and play kit. I just got the lead because I'd already done some of the wiring for the dodgy J-car one, but overall it is a great bit of kit and would definitely recommend. Just on their website, everything's pretty accessible, and yeah, awesome thing.